The refrigerator is a Monogram. Monogram is the high-end line of GE. For the refrigerator, you need a filter for the ice maker. This is the GE MWF filter, which we bought at Home Depot just today, November 2nd. In order to install the filter, just lift up on the upper panel. All of the mechanical apparatus of the refrigerator is up here up top. What you need to do is remove the old filter, which you just unscrew. For the new filter, take off the foil top, take the large tab, place it underneath this opening and twist. And that's it. This filter should last anywhere from 6 months to a year. Good luck.